Hello, what if 2026 doesn't just happen to you? What if you intentionally design the year you want? Welcome to Excellence with Adebayo. If this is your first time seeing my YouTube page, I say welcome to you. And in today's episode, I would like to talk about how to intentionally design your life in 2026. Most people drift into a new year with hopes and not plans. And by March, they are overwhelmed, frustrated, and stuck in the same cycle. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a practical step-by-step blueprint to intentionally design your life in 2026. Your career, your finance, your relationship, your health, and purpose, so that you are not just reacting to life, but you are leading to it. So let's get to it. The first thing I would like to talk about is define the life you actually want. Clarity actually comes before goals. So before you start setting goals, ask this powerful question. If everything is aligned in 2026, what would my life look like? Now, once you've done that, I want you to break it down into different key life areas. What will your career and business look like? What will your finance look like? What will your health look like? What will your relationship look like? What is your purpose, your faith, and personal growth look like? Be specific. Clarity creates direction. You cannot design what you have not defined. So don't just breeze through life. Be specific and know exactly what you want per time. The second step is identify the gap. I call this value mapping. Know where you are versus where you really want to be. Now, assess your current reality honestly. Ask yourself these questions. What exactly is working right now? What exactly is draining me? What are the habits that are helping or hurting my progress? This is not about judgment. This is about self-awareness. And there's an amazing thing about growth. Growth begins with honesty. And when honesty meets intention, growth would always occur. The third step is set intentional goals, not wishful ones. Intentional goals are goals that align with your values, are goals that focus on outcomes and not pressure. Break these goals into clear priorities. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say in 2026, I want to lead project that aligns with my purpose and grow my income by 30%. Every goal should answer this question. Why does this matter to the life I want to live? Let me take that again. Why does this goal matter to the life I want to live? Step 4. Design systems and not just resolutions. The difference between goal setting and resolution is the systems. Step 5. Build accountability into your life. I usually say that accountability is the process and it has the people part. Create accountability through having a mentor or a coach. There's a difference between a mentor and a coach. A mentor is the person that can be your role model. You've seen the life you want and you want to model after the present. While a coach helps you unlock productivity in your life. Number 2 is have a trusted accountability partner. A structured reviewed system and not just a weekly or monthly check-in. Progress accelerates when someone can ask you, how is this decision aligning with the life you said you really want? And number 6, review, refine, and realign regularly. Life changes, of course, we know that. As seasons shift, your plan must be flexible. Every quarter review, what exactly is working? What needs adjustment? What should I stop? What should I start? Or what should I continue? Intentional living isn't just perfection, it is alignment. I would like to close with this. Your life is your greatest project. If you remember nothing else, I want you to remember this. Your life is the most important project. You are a project manager of your life. Don't drift through life. Live through life. Lead through life and ensure that your best comes as soon as you can. If this has blessed you, like this video, comment, and share with your friends. Let's make 2026 the best year so far. Thank you for listening to Excellence with Adebayo. See you next time.